The beginning of my journey within myself. How I came here and who I became in the journey will continue to be a funnel of new beginnings and continued growth. In the quest for striving for my purpose, Auroville held me in its arms and taking me to places where my soul can dance in the service of fulfilling my mission to empower women from villages. Magic lies in perseverance, and belief comes from internal freedom. Auroville community nurtures my global goal of facilitating power to women from various walks of life. Everybody will experience a different Auroville. Find your window and walk the path of unknown.
And survey, village health survey, like a disease survey. First things, be strong. Don't be scared about anybody's.
Place where ideas are born with free will and people are exhibiting true sense of purpose. It creates a dynamic internal shift to creating systemic changes. I'm grateful to the wonderful people I met so far who have catalyzed and provided me with the knowledge to manure my journey sustainably so far.
This design, all of you learning future was that only.
Sometimes one needs to allow yourself for stepping forward in the direction which feels right. Auroville is an abundance of deep impact, passing over the legacy of sustainability and social impact to the ones who come finding themselves. Power of conceiving self-contentment led me to new horizons of emotional awakening, to destroy predefined social structure and to truly arrive somewhere I belonged, connected to my source of life and mission that I undertook. Auroville inspired me to give myself a chance, to be lost so that I can find my true self once again. I'm grateful to have found the paradise to pursue my dreams, give myself to the world. This is the land I was reborn once again. That you think girls have superpower.
Girls have about hating, boys have about irritating girls.
Binding myself to entrust my true being to live in synchrony with how life is showing me the path as I carve my imagination. This is a hub of social enterprises, diversity and inclusion, abiding to the law of freedom, entailing a beautiful mechanism of a growing organic community of change makers.
I felt fine yesterday. I'll even feel better today.
A place where I'm able to self-explore, to be able to discover new stories full of adventure. Auroville is a ray of light like music full of dreams. Organizations with the best impact footprint are founded here. In this journey, I reconnected with what my heart wants as I dissolved into this holistic world of inner consciousness that radiates circular solutions and sustainable businesses.